Hello, I'm Celine. At age 15, I was diagnosed with clinical depression. With the birth of my two girls, I experienced postpartum depressions. Needless to say, I've been battling with that nasty disease my entire life, impacting my studies, my professional life, my relationships, my joy. When they treat you, they usually give you medications, counseling, and artificial light. They barely talk to you about lifestyle medicine. They should talk about lifestyle medicine. I want to talk about lifestyle medicine. You see, after I embraced the principles of lifestyle medicine, I regained my life. I strongly believe that you too deserve the joy, the power to live the life that you'd like to live as a professional, an entrepreneur, a student, a mother, a wife, a sister, a friend, a husband, a brother. The scientific research on lifestyle medicine is abundant when it comes to mental illness and depression. Let's talk about lifestyle medicine. I really would love to talk about lifestyle medicine.